I think the play for Blue Lock, one, in my background and experience for 25 years, I've overseen companies where we've had extensive data center operations, and there's good and bad parts to that. I obviously have industry knowledge, but I also understand the pain of running a data center. And a lot of smaller companies, while you're trying to build the business and deal with the customers, you don't want the back office headaches. Also allows smaller companies to have exponential growth. So if all of a sudden you hit a home run and you're growing and you need more computer capacity, it's just turn on a switch. You don't have to go out and buy a lot of hardware and make a lot of investments. So in running a data center strategically, you have peaks and valleys of services, and that all goes away. There's a lot of co-location facilities where you can just put your hardware and provide a data center atmosphere, but I think the play with Blue Lock is we're adding the services and support on the backside. We'll actually run the machines for you. You can stay focused on the business, and we'll take care of that back office top to bottom, and you can just take that off your worry chart. Every day this week I've talked to somebody that said, hey, you ought to take a look at Blue Lock because of what you're doing, where you're going, and it's a play there's a huge need in the marketplace. Here in the Midwest, we're the only game in town that will really take that headache off your hands top to bottom. There's a multitude of companies that are very security conscious and really can't afford to do in today's world of the ever-evolving hacker and the strength of some of the kids. Literally in the industry, you got a great security point. You have a redundancy of systems and even back to the power, 2 or 3 power sources, phone sources. So if you're a shop that's running 24/7 on the web, you really have a chance that you'll never go down.